Using your calculator, evaluate the following correct to four significant figures. So we've got 6 divided by 1.5 minus 0.436. Let's write down that problem first. So writing down this problem, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go to our calculator. Okay, we're going to do 6, and we need to do the fraction button, which is this one here. And then do 1.5 minus 0.436. Press the replay button, press equals, and we get a fraction here. To make it a decimal, we need to press this one, S to D, and then we get the answer from the calculator. So these are the steps that we did on the calculator. So 6, the fraction button, which is this one here, divided by 1.5 minus 0.436 equals, and we need to change it to a decimal, so that gives me 5.6390977744. The next one, we need to round this off to four significant figures. So first figure, second figure, third figure, fourth figure, and that 0 has no effect on the 9, so to four significant figures that will be 5.639 to four significant figures. Part B, we've got 1 over 0.064 to the power of 5. Okay, next one we need to press bracket 1 fraction button, which is this one here, divided by 0.064. Press the replay button, put in the bracket, and we need to raise to the power, which is this one here, x with a little dash, and then we put in 5, and we press equal, and we get the answer here. So on a calculator, bracket 1 fraction button, 0.64 replay button, that just takes the bracket, the cursor around the whole thing, the bracket to the power for 5, and then we get equals, and then we get the full calculator display, which is 93132.5746. Now we need to round this off to four significant figures, so that's the first, second, third, fourth. So we'll draw a line in here. Now these two here, 2, we can't just leave them off, we need to replace them with 0, so 2 has no effect on the 3. So to four significant figures, the answer is 931,300 to four significant figures. Now the last one, the cube root of 4.5 times in brackets 2.3 minus 2.25. Okay, we need the cube root button. So the cube root button is above this square root button, so we need to do shift, cube root, and then we'll just put it in as it says 4.5 times bracket 2.3 minus 2.25. Press the replay button, close the bracket, press the replay button, and the brackets will make the calculator do it first. We press equals, and we get the answer there. So shift, the cube root button is above the square root button, so by pressing shift gives the top key. 4.5 times bracket 2.3 minus 2.35, close the bracket, press the replay button to take out the cube root sign, and then press equals, and we get this as the answer. Now to round off to four significant figures, that 0 is not significant. So that's the first figure, second figure, third figure, fourth figure. So draw a line here. That 2 will have no effect on the 2, so we just write the answer as 0.6082 to four significant figure. So this has been a video to show you how to use your calculator to work out complicated calculations.